Hey, this is Matt from Spider Size Underground. This is what you can achieve from Spider Size Underground. This is all I've been doing, bodyweight exercises, and this is the man who is the founder of Spider Size.
Thank you, I'm Spider, and Spider Size Underground is our new website, which is all about giving you the right way of training at the comfort of your own home. Now, you won't need any equipment, and even if you need equipment, it's very minimal equipment, and pretty much this is what we do. This is certainly what I've done when I'm enabled to train with people, and I've just proven it because I've spent about 2 weeks in Hong Kong, and all I've been doing is bodyweight training.
I'm going to show you just one of the moves that we will teach you, and we will coach you intricately of some of these body weight exercises. This one's called the Spider Size Sit Through, and basically it's using all of the muscles from your arms and your legs and your posterior chain. Okay, basically we get down here like a quad position, and we're moving one leg out, and then we're going back to the middle, and we're doing it with the left. Okay, there you go, left and right. And then what you can do is speed it up, so it should be like this. Trust me, if you do this in intervals, 30 seconds, and then 10 seconds rest, 10 rounds, you're going to have a heck of a workout, okay? And I'm going